got you. Daddy got you a pumpkin. Ooh, what do you do with the pumpkin? I think you just look at it and enjoy it. Oh, they're gonna eat it. You gonna eat it? Of course you're gonna eat it. Say thank you, Daddy. What do we do with a pumpkin? Do we eat it? Do you make it for a head scratcher? Scratch your head with it. Scratch your head with it, Cookie. There you go. There you go, it's a head scratcher. Hee-hee. I figured it out. Okay, girls, time to see what's inside of it. What's inside of the pumpkin? Whoa, look at that. Look, it opened up. Go see. Go see what's it all about. What's inside of there? Oh, she says it's edible and yummy. Yes. Yum, 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 yum. She says, I've had pumpkin seeds before, but not fresh out of the pumpkin.